All right, man. Yeah, who grew up here in the 80s? All right, some of y'all, you're afraid to say. It's okay. It's okay. A lot of us grew up here in the 80s.
You don't look
Even me, I grew up in the 80s, yes.
You don't look at you did. That's my older brother.
I did, man. I was just going to cue up this next song. It had an outstanding video. You guys will remember it if you grew up in the 80s. Anyways, here it is.